Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to buy a property with Coldwell Banker. What you need to do at first is head over to coldwellbanker.com. The process is very simple. If you have enough money, you need to click on buy, as you can see on the top here, and then click on all homes for sale. And then as you can see, these are all the US real estate. So you can either enter an address, city, or zip. Let's say we want to buy one in Michigan, so we click on that, and these are all the cities, so we're just gonna go for Saint Joseph. From there, as you can see, these are all of the properties that are listed. Let's say you like this one, so you're gonna click on this one, and then you're gonna put in your mobile number, preferred tour date, which means what day do you want to go and take a proper look, and then put a message for them like, hey, I would like to know more about this address. And you can also directly call the realtor, as you can see, about this home, and then click on contact. From there, they will reply back to you if they liked your message, and from there you can move forward. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.